Hello everyone, it's Kash Princess and today we are going to learn how to make a wristband. So a couple of weeks back I have made these two. One is for my grandfather and one is for my father. So I'm going to tell you how to make one too. So all you need is a couple of rubber bands and one as hook. And you can do this with 2 fingers. So take the first rubber band, make it into an 8 cross like this and keep it on your fingers. And then take another rubber band and keep it normally on top. And take another one and keep it normally on top too. Put it straightly like this. Then take the first one at the bottom and pull it on top. And then you can take another rubber band and keep it on top normally. It's really hard to keep it if it's like 2 together, so make it until it's gapped so that it won't be that hard. And then take another one and keep it on top. And make a gap so that it will be easy for you to lift it. And then continue the same thing. Don't forget to check the size. Until you see the design like this. I have done a little bit, so let's measure it. It's half done, we have to still continue. I think it is ready, so let's check. Yes, it is. You only need one, so I'll put this pink one on top. So let's hook it now. First, you need the hook. You need to take these out then combine them together and stretch it. Stretch it. Take the hook and keep it in the middle. And take it out. Take the pink one. Stretch this one also. And take the hook and hook it on top of this. Now the rubber band bracelet is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.